Hello guys, welcome back to Kanini Flavours YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment nicely. So on this episode, you're going to be cooking some delicious Mukimo. Yes, very sweet Mukimo. So just stay tuned. Let's start with the recipe. Please just stay tuned. As we proceed, as you see the recipe, the ingredients to this sweet Mukimo. Thank you. Recipe, we have some potatoes and bananas, pumpkin leaves, that's kahurura in Kikuyu, peas and maize, githeri, chopped onions, these ones, some salt, water, and some oil. Let's start. The first thing is to put on your sufuria on your fire. Then the next thing is to put in your potatoes and bananas. And then you come in with your water. You add a good amount. Yes. And then you cover it to boil. Let's give it like 5 minutes. Before your waru boils, you come in and start chopping your pumpkin leaves. Chop them. Your preferred size. And then, to make it easier for them to be cooked faster, you can add some salt. Then you like mix them together. This makes the kahurura to be softer and easy to cook. Haita kusumbua ukismash your Mukimo. And our kahurura is ready. You can also use a blender to blend your kahurura, or you can preheat it for some time. Yes, that will make it softer. Our potatoes have started boiling. So the next step is to add your already prepared kahurura. And then you put some salt. They want to taste the amount of food that you're cooking. Then make sure that umezipush huko chini. That's it. Let's give it time. Our Mukimo is still boiling. Yes, as you can see, still cooking. Our potatoes are almost ready. So we come in with our githeri. Put it in. And let it boil. So I think our Mukimo is ready. Yes. As you can see, the potatoes breaking. So I'll just get them from the fire and then drain the water that is in here. Our last ingredients were onions. So you fry them. And then I'll show you where to put them. I prefer this type of onion because iweka utamu, makes the mukimo more delicious. So as it's getting ready, we start smashing our mukimo. Yes, we smash till everything in a mix. Everything is well cooked, so it's easy to smash. My onions are ready, so I'll just take them and add them in. All of them. Then after that, I continue smashing and make sure that the kitunguu imespread kwa kona zote. Make sure you taste whether your salt is okay. Yes. And then here's our mukimo. It's ready. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a nice comment. Yes. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you.